So guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I am Dhruv going to show you today 5 most important plus useful features which are already available in your phone but you are unaware about that. So guys, let's move on to the video and let's know that 5 features. So guys, first option is digital well-being and parental controls. So it shows that it's very much beneficial for parents too. So guys, here you can see that today it's written 1 hour and 1 minute. So it shows that basically I have used this phone for 1 hour and 1 minute from now till now. So guys, also if we click here on 1 hour 1 minute, it will show you it will show us details about it. For example, how much application we have used for how much time. So it's just we have to click on that today, or we can say that round circle. So guys, this will come dashboard. So okay, so guys, here you can see that one application I have used for 24 minutes till now and one for 11 and 20 minutes. So guys, basically it shows our overall mobile, or we can say overall usage of particular application, and while merging all we will get a total screen time which we have used throughout the day. Okay, so also you can set an app timer for particular app. As you can see that I am setting app timer for let's set it at 1 hour. Yeah guys, let's set it at 1 hour and 0 minute. Also guys, you can see that it's written that this app timer for particular app will reset at midnight, which means that at midnight, that is 12 a.m, it will reset. So guys, next day all you have to come again to set that particular app's timer, and after that that particular timer, for example we have set for 1 hour, then after 1 hour this app will not open unless and until we will come back and will increase app timer, or we will cancel it app timer. Okay, so guys, this function is also basically very much useful for us to check. If you are parent, then also it's useful for you to check whether your kids using phone too much or in balance mode. Also guys, you can see that, but you can see that screen time moment for past few days or few weeks too. As you can see that I am playing it in background. So guys, you can easily see that I can see up to 14th June, and today is I think 12th July. So you can see that around 1 month we can statistics of around past 1 month we can see. Okay, so also its second point is, first of all we have seen screen time, and now it's notification received. So guys, you can see the particular first application, from that particular first application we have received 17 notifications till now. Okay, so guys, first point was screen time, then notifications received, in which you can see the details same along, and it's times opened. For example, you can see first application which I have opened 28 times till now. So also it gives you three further, we can see that 3 further facilities like screen time, notifications opened, notifications received, and open time. So guys, this particular option we can say is best among the all. So guys, please check into it and look into it. If you can't find it, let me know. I will try to help you as far as possible. So guys, next option is app lock feature. So guys, what it is, so guys, if you want to lock any application, or if you want to hide any application, so guys, you should not download any third party application from Play Store or any app store, because instead just search it in your phone, you can find it easily. So guys, for example, go to the settings and security, or then scroll down. Okay, so guys, here it is, app lock. So guys, just click on that app lock, then they will ask for some password if you have written. Okay, so guys, password is done now. Okay, now looking for a particular application. Okay, so guys, for example, I want to lock this application, then I want to just simply on that particular button, and now you can see guys that hide from home screen option is available, which means that a particular application we can hide from the home screen. So guys, for that you should not download any application. As I have mentioned earlier, you can see that there are more 3 options available, that is hide from recent tasks, hide that particular app's notification. So guys, simply you can do that instead of downloading such applications which may consume much more space in your phone and may enter virus through that. So guys, please don't do that. So guys, third option is game space. Also guys, for that's separate application available in your device. You should search for it, but instead we can also go to settings, scroll down, and then here is option game space. So guys, as you can see that here we can add as much as applications or games we want to. Also you can see that hide game icons on home screen option, which what it shows, it's of course it shows that we can hide our applications or games from the home screen, which we have added in game space. So guys, that's one more benefit of it. Okay, so guys, let's open game space. Here you can see four applications I have added for now, and there are three types of modes. Let's go to the competitive mode, which consumes much more power as compared to rest two of the modes. Okay, also there are four more sub options, namely block calls, block notifications, block calls and notifications both, and allow calls and notifications both. As per your requirement, you can set it among all four you want to add. Okay, so guys, now let's move on to the next mode, that is balanced mode. It consumes much more power, but yeah, as compared to competitive mode, it it consumes less power. Yeah guys. And guys, last and the final mode is low power mode, which consumes very much less power as compared to rest of the two. So guys, these three modes are very important for gamers, and as per their requirement they can set it to whether competitive mode, balance mode, or low power mode. So guys, I hope you will also definitely check it in your phone, and you can also enjoy it by selecting any of the three modes below. So guys, third application, or we can say third feature, is that first of all, automatic on off or schedule on off option. So guys, you have to go to the settings, and again we have to go to the we have to go to the additional settings, then scroll down. We have to check for that automatic on off option or scheduled on off, whatever it's written in your settings option. So guys, in my phone it's automatic on off. What's that? So guys, let me know you that as you can see that auto power off mode is set at 11:37 p.m. and auto power on is set at 6 a.m. and both are in blue color, which indicates it's in on mode. So guys, basically how it works, let me know you that for example your phone will automatically switch off at 11:37 p.m. and will automatically restart at 6 a.m. So guys, this function is very useful for you as well as for your phone, so that nobody can disturb you at that particular time. So guys, you can use this function like that too. Also guys, this function is available in every Android phones. So guys, please check it and let me know that whether you got or not. So guys, next option is split screen option. Split screen is the option in which we can split our screen into two parts, and on both the parts we can use applications which used to run in portrait mode. Let's take an example. I have opened notes application in which I have written some calculation, that is 5 plus 6 plus 7. Now simultaneously we want to calculate this in calculator. So what should we do? So guys, to enable split screen option, we have to move our three fingers simultaneously to the upside on the screen. So guys, let me do it. So guys, here it is. Now split screen option is enabled. Now we have to search for the calculator option. So guys, where it is? Okay, so guys, got it. Now I have to check that simply I am writing that values in calculator, that is 5 plus 6 plus 7, that's now equals to 18. So guys, now if I want to even add anything on the notes, then I can easily add it. See guys, I am editing, and again I am back to the calculator option, and I can again add that particular values, and I am getting that updated answer. So guys, split screen is the very reliable and easy option for the users, and which I think is very useful for all of us to do that such particular task. So guys, please take care of it, and don't forget to use this option, because this option is very useful for us. So guys, that's all for the video. I hope you liked it. If not, then please like my video and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get latest and quick updates about my channel. See you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.